Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends Iron Man Modular Armor. So ito yung packaging niya. It's a window type packaging. Tapos sa side, you have the comic book style illustration of Iron Man. Sa likod naman, you have the profile of Modular Iron Man. Tapos yung BAF niya or yung buff na mabubuo niyo dito si Ursa Major. So you have Modular Iron Man, Vault Guardsman, Stealth Iron Man, Dark Star, Ironheart, Hologram Iron Man, and Ultron. So mabubuo niyo si Ursa Major. Alright, out of the box, this is the figure. Sturdy naman yung mga joints niya. This is a fairly old style of the figure kasi old style of the mold or sculpt kasi wala siyang mga butterfly joints. So hindi yung mga newer models kasi ng Iron Man, pwede mong ma-move yung kanyang arms dito. So you can move it forward. Dito sa model na to, you cannot move the arms forward and backward. So you can just move it 360. Yan, pupunta tayo sa articulation in a while. Pero for the paint, yung gold paint niya, medyo saturated yellow gold siya. So it's a very nice paint na ginamit dito sa Iron Man modular armor. I think this modular armor is ito yung model na nandun sa Marvel vs. Capcom 2. It's a very angular faceplate, tapos round head, merong divided yung back niya, yung upper back niya red, tapos itong lower back niya medyo gold siya. Tapos yun nga, ang color scheme dito is red and gold, and then you have the diamond shape na arc reactor. You also have the gauntlets. Meron din siyang belt, tapos mga side armor panels. Yung side armor panels niya may mga lines across the armor panel itself. So I think kung i-custom repaint to, pwede natin lagyan. Pwede tayong kumuha ng Gundam marker and pwede kayong maglagay ng ink dun sa mga panel lines. Kasi may sculpt na ng ng panels. Medyo deep na yung kanyang divisions dito or yung mga lines na ni-sculpt ni Marvel or ni Hasbro. And then you also have the boots na meron ding armor panels, armor panels. Tapos dito sa kamay, meron siyang open hand and closed hands. Meron din siyang mga effect parts. Pwede mo ilagay yung mga effect parts din dito. Very nice effect. Para siyang nag-shoot ng repulsor blast. Okay, in terms of articulation, you can move the head up, down, 360. Arms can rotate, can move out, down. Merong rotation yung kanyang arms. Tapos double jointed elbow. And then ball jointed yung kamay. Tapos you can do stretches. Tapos pwede ring ab crunch. You can also rotate the waist. Meron ding kick. Out. You can put the feet that far. Forward, back. Merong thigh cut. Meron din siyang boot cut. And then double jointed knee. And also ball joint yung paa. Overall, this is a very nice figure or model of Iron Man. If you're into Marvel vs. Capcom na mga designs, I think this is a very nice addition sa inyong collection. Okay, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.